This video is for you because your resident tutor, which is me, will be teaching you how to use this incredible AI tool to dub your videos into different languages. और यह वीडियो आपके लिए है क्योंकि आपका निवासी ट्यूटर जो मैं हूँ. Y este video es para ti porque tu tutor residente que soy yo. Hello everyone, have you encountered that one Indian tutorial that you need so badly for your schoolwork but you don't understand the language, or there is a DIY video you really need to use to get something done but it's in a different language, or you're a content creator that is trying to get across to different people from different parts of the world that speak different languages but you only speak one language? Your resident tutor, which is me, will be teaching you how to use this incredible AI tool to dub your videos into different languages like what you saw previously. So let's get to it. Now this tool is called Elevenlabs and it translates 29 languages and has different accents you can choose from. I'm pretty sure you've heard of it because it's all over the internet and it can do so many things. Now let me teach you how to use it. To start, you can search for Elevenlabs in your web browser or click on the link in my description box. Then click on this icon here, then sign up using your Gmail account. Then click on the menu icon. Now this app can be used for so many important things, but we are focused on dubbing, so we're going to click on dubbing. Then scroll down. Now you can put in the title of the video if you want, and then you can put the source language. The source language is basically the language you're speaking, and then you select the target language. That's the language you're trying to translate the video into. So I chose 2 languages at the same time, and that's the beauty of this app. You can translate to as many languages as you want. I selected Spanish and Hindi, and then you can upload your own video or choose a video directly from YouTube, TikTok or Twitter, but I want to upload mine, so I clicked here. You can't use some of the other features if you're using the free trial, so just click on create when it's done uploading the video. As you can see, it's generating 2 different videos at the same time for the languages I selected. And when it's done, you can click here to view. Y este video es para ti. Then you can download the video when you're done. I know you're wondering, is this free or we have to pay for it? Well, there is a free trial. You can get a free trial to understand what you're trying to get into and see if the app is worth your money. And if you realize that you actually do like this app and you find it useful, they have different pricing plans, so you choose the one that best suits your financial situation. And lest I forget, I have a second channel called heygen, and in that channel I post most of my shenanigans in the Netherlands. So every crazy thing I've been up to as a foreigner living in the Netherlands, I post it there. And if you have any suggestion of what I can do with that channel, because it's still in the developing phase and yeah, I need as many ideas as possible, please go there and drop it in the comment section and subscribe as well. And I'll see you there. Bye.